Welcome my dear friends. This video will be a short video which will list every dollar we invest into our builds and the reasoning behind every upgrade or purchase. First, we begin with a bicycle. Of course, for around $100 to $120, we can get a brand new beach cruiser. However, since we have carefully invested in a collection of tools over the years, we will often purchase cheaper, non-operating bicycles from yard sales and build using pieces of these bicycles. The motorized bicycle kit that we prefer is the YD100 and can be found for around $150. Next, we invest $30 for a hub adapter and 34 or 36 tooth sprocket. The smaller sprocket complements the YD100 nicely and optimizes its efficiency if we happen to be city riders, which we are. Next, we invest in an exhaust pipe. $50 for the MZ65 style fat belly pipe. Upgrading the pipe goes without question on a two-stroke. The upgrade in power and performance is worth every one of those $50. Next, we upgrade the tank to a 4-liter gas tank for $40. Not only does it look good, but we soon grew tired of running out of gas at various places all over town. It was disgraceful. Okay, a $10 odometer to keep track of the miles on a motor, a $10 mirror to see behind us for safety, the saddle upgrade. Okay, when you ride out of necessity and for daily commuting, store runs and things of that nature, improving the ride comfort becomes a very serious consideration. So hence the saddle upgrade. However, it's difficult to price it since we make them ourselves out of our own carefully collected salvage piles and purchased materials. So ballpark $40 or $50. There we have it, gentlemen. This is our baseline investment for every one of our riders. Of course, this doesn't include the cost of Bondo, paint, jets, wood, green slime, duct tape, lights, and other sundry items. The most important investment, however, are the 3 weeks that it takes to put everything together, making sure everything gets broken in right, chain stretched, bolts retightened, carburetor jetted and tuned properly, intakes, exhausts, and gaskets properly ported and matched. Any video that tells you that you can build one of these bicycles in 45 minutes is taking you for a ride. The only thing that you're going to build in 45 minutes is a broken, underpowered headache. So, if we want to ride hard all day long with confidence and power, well, $460 plus and a whole lot of blood, sweat, and tears is the price. Now, may God be with you, my friends. Be strong, have courage, and follow Christ. This is Soggy, signing off.